Assalamualaikum and greetings to Miss Najwa. Today we are going to do the academic presentation task as a pair. Before we proceed with our presentation, we are going to introduce ourselves. My name is FARISAH binti Muhammad Dari and my metric number is 201065.
My name is AZIRA binti Norde and my metric number is 202642.
Okay, so biochemistry is a rapidly expanding study, and in this modern era, biochemistry is rapidly expanding. In the scientific field, biochemistry is very important in finding new research, finding new scientific research in novel new researches. But how is it exactly important in medicine field? Today the topic of our presentation today is the importance of biochemistry in medical science. The presentation is going to be divided in two parts, where the first part is going to be presented by me, where I will be presenting about how biochemistry accurately describes the function and role of vitamins in the body. And the second part will be presented by my friend Azira about how biochemistry helps in pathology. Okay, now let's move on into the let's get to know what is biochemistry first. Biochemistry is also known as biological chemistry, where it is the study of chemical processes that is related to the living organisms. Okay, so let's move on to the first point, which is how biochemistry describes the function and role of vitamins in the body. Through biochemistry research, it can be found that vitamins is an organic molecule that is an important micronutrient where an organism needs for their metabolism to function properly. Vitamins are first founded by a Polish biochemist named Mr. Funk. And that discovery has helped us until this very day. Vitamins also plays a role in numerous biochemical functions in the human body, and it is also a very essential component for maintaining optimal health. It can be found that if we lack vitamins, our immune system will be very weak. Now I'll be presenting about what kinds of vitamins that we need. There are a few that I have found, which is first, vitamin A. Vitamin A is very good for our vision and cell differentiation. And then the food that are rich in vitamin A are also included in our daily food intake, such as fish, eggs, and meat. And then for vitamin E, it is good as an antioxidant. Antioxidant plays a very big role to resist heart and lung disease such as cancer or other diseases. As for vitamin D is good for calcium and phosphate metabolism and also cell differentiation. And for vitamin K, it helps for blood clotting. As we know, if our blood doesn't clot on our body, there will be more loss of blood, which is not good for us as it will drain our energy. Actually, all these vitamins, if we go to pharmacies, we can find that the pharmacy sells very many different kinds of vitamins, such as in pills or collagen drinks. But actually, we do not need all those products. We do not necessarily need all those products for our vitamin consumption. We can easily consume our daily food intake, such as fish, carrots, eggs, or meat. And that is enough. That is good to go for our vitamin consumption for us to be healthy. Now I will move on to my friend Azira for the next point.
Thank you to our first presenter, I'm Farisah, for presenting our first main point. So let's go to the second main point, which is biochemistry. Lead us to know about relation about disease condition in human body and also provide the diagnostic platforms for specific medicine to overcome the diseases. For anyone who working in medicine or science-related field, accruing sufficient biochemical knowledge is needed in order to understand more about function, metabolism, and growth of a healthy human body. In pathology, the study of biochemistry actually relates to the disease condition in human body. So physician can use a biochemical analysis to confirm the prediction based on patient testimony. For example, if a patient complains about a severe pain in one or more joints in their body, the physician may predict that the patient have a gout, which is a form of arthritis that caused by excess uric acid level in their bloodstream. So by measuring the uric acid level, the physician can now confirm whether the gout is the root of the problem. Other than that, biochemistry also provides the diagnostic platform for medicine. For example, a doctor decides the medicine that need to be prescribed based on biochemical examination of blood constituent from biochemistry. This examination will help the doctor to to treat a specific diseases using a specific medicine. So, in conclusion, the path of medical science for the next few decades is rest upon discovering of biochemists today. There's a lot of scientific discovery had been discovered today thanks to biochemistry. Scope of research seems almost limitless. All life on Earth depend on biochemical reaction and processes. By integrating this scientific knowledge, we can know and learn more about how to maintain our health, and discover new diseases, identify the potential treatment, and also learn more about our origin of life. That is why biochemistry is one of the most important area of science. Thank you for listening to our presentation.
Thank you. Dah,
Alright.
settle. Nanti aku send kat
Okay.
kau.